conference from Bangkok?
Yes, our viewers know Dipak Shenoy very well. He is a regular face on the channel. Dipak, hi. Good to have you here in Bangkok. What brings you to Traders Carnival?
So, Anuj, I've been involved with Traders Carnival as a friend of some of the organizers for over 4 years now.
Okay.
And I've been, I've been speaking at the conference myself earlier as well. And I am a speaker at this conference as well. Talked about the various topics. I've learned a lot. I think it's a little way to contribute back to the trading society as much as I can.
Oh yes, that we'll be of course talking about your speech as well. But what's the big trading call right now? Since you wear the hat of a trader and an investor as well, what do you think is the big call right now? We've seen the Nifty consolidated somewhere around 8,000. Do you think there's some more consolidation, or do you get a sense that market is preparing for a bit of a big move?
So I think, from a trading perspective, there's one very important thing that the Nifty is not doing. It's not making a higher high after it has gone to that 8,000 level. It's tried twice now. Today is the third attempt, I think, and it's still not making a breakout of that. Now, a higher high, if it's not able to make a higher high, this will be the first time it's not able to do so since the lows of March. So I think from a trading perspective, we are seeing consolidation at the Nifty level, there's an explosion at the mid-cap level, and this points to larger retail participation compared to institutional. And I believe that gives a signal that the Nifty is actually going to expand into a larger move, and I fear it may be on the downside.
Okay, and what about the Bank Nifty? What kind of signals are you getting there? Because we had Bank of Baroda's numbers yesterday. The stock got hammered. That was always going to be the reality check. The PSU Bank's numbers, and of course we have seen the market's reaction. What's your call on that?
I think the worst bank situation is going to come in the next few days. That's going to I think it's going to surprise us on the downside, because just the raw numbers now begins to scare us. 52,000 crore watch list, 26,000 crore watch list. SBI's watch list may actually be in 6 figures. Now that might change a lot of perspective about banks leading us out of the rally. So a bank Nifty may actually underperform substantially compared to the Nifty itself. And I believe that some of the banking bad news is also baked into the price, because you're seeing the bank Nifty hesitate, fail a little bit. Some of the private banks are continuing to make new highs. Yes Bank, IndusInd, HDFC, but you're seeing the public sector banks, which are much larger, whose results are yet to come, that might drag down some of the performance here. Probably from a fundamental perspective, I don't think this is a great time to invest in banks, but from a technical perspective, I see these headwinds as not a great opportunity to enter at this point either.
Okay, since we are at Traders Carnival and we are talking about a lot of trades, a lot of speakers are sharing some of their best trades. What's been the best trade for you over the last 6 months or 1 year?
I think some of the most interesting trades we've been seeing is in option writing. So we've been doing a lot of strategic-based option writing, and we've been able to actually target returns out of an option strategy that we have determined using the VIX and the implied volatilities of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. This has outperformed pretty much everything else. So we're able to see an actual return of about 18% in 6 months. But this was a strategy that we've been trying using different quantitative techniques rather than using technical analysis per se. And we'll expand on that more in the Traders Carnival as well.
Okay, and so we'll let you get back to that Traders Carnival, and of course we'll talk about your strategies in details when we are covering the conference. Dipak, thanks a lot for joining us here.
Thanks so much, Anuj.
Thank you. Okay, Ekta, back to you.
Yes, okay, Anuj. Thanks very much for that. Well, it's great to see Dipak Shenoy in casual clothes having a conversation with you in sunny Bangkok at this point in time. Though you're in the hotel at this point, I'm sure it's going to be a carnival of different sorts, not just in terms of stocks and trades, but there will be a lot of fun and laughter, I assume, with a lot of people around there.